Hello everyone, this is Gopalnath and I am a 2019 passed out from Saveetha Engineering College. I have completed my degree in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. From the first year, our college prepared us for the campus interview. Like they conducted communication and soft skill classes. Those were the reason to get rid of my stage fear. Our college made us so comfortable in learning those things. From the second year, we have started to learn our core subjects. Our faculties were so friendly and we gained much knowledge from them. We had proper kits in our lab and lab sessions were really helped a lot in learning the subjects properly. I stayed in hostel. There were no negatives in hostel. We got good Wi-Fi, water, air ventilations. Sometimes food was little poor, but still. When we brought that to management, they took necessary action on that and solved the problem. Every year there will be a Pongal celebration where we enjoyed a lot by dancing, taking photographs, knowing all Tamil cultures, etc. They conduct testing as a technical symposium where we showcased our technical skills. Students were so good in our college. Our college arranged so many opportunities for placements. Though they arranged it, it is our responsibility to use that wisely. We did that and that's why I am working in MNC now. I want to conclude this as learning is a never-ending process. Start it from where you can feel yourself to be the best like your motto says. I wish all of you should shine in your career. Thank you.